Assalamu alaikum from Imam Bukhari's Mausoleum in Samarkand. The only problem, guys, here is it's under construction at the moment and it's closed. If you can see there, that big minaret, that's the building site of it, and we may not be able to go there. I'm gonna try if we can go around and just see a glimpse. Of course, we won't be able to see the main Kabar area, but we might be able to see some sort. Okay, so the guy said we can walk it there because there are a lot of people going. So let's see what happens, how far we can get into, if they let us in, or we can just see the building which is under construction. So there is the pathway. We can't take the car in, so we've just parked the car outside. Rahma.
Mana bracelet?
No, it's but
Bracelet?
yeah, people are just selling stuff here. Like there should be some stalls here as well. There used to be. But I think they all are empty, so people are just walking around and selling stuff. Oh wow. It's a massive construction, even though it was so beautiful already, and they've decided to expand it and make it much more nicer. Subhanallah. Look at that. We can only come up to here, we can't go inside. I'm even happy to see that. So I'm gonna just talk about Imam Bukhari. As we all know, he was an Imam who happened to be in the 9th century and was born in Bukhara, not in Samarkand, but the people, there were a lot of people who was against him. I don't remember the conspiracy. If I remember it, I will actually put it down in the description or do a voiceover. And then he came to Samarkand, and he must have traveled to the Middle East and the world to gather all the hadiths, and it is believed to be that more than 300,000 hadiths narrated by him, and we know they are the most authentic hadith books we have in our era. So inshallah I will put some pictures of his qabr inside. Imam Bukhari's tomb is located in the city of Samarkand in Uzbekistan. It is a popular pilgrimage site for Muslims and scholars who wish to pay their respects to the great scholar of hadith. The tomb is situated in a beautiful garden called Jannatul Baqi, which means Garden of Paradise, which is located outside the city walls. The complex contains a mosque, a madrasa, and other facilities for visitors. And here is a view, and inshallah next time, in few years when we come back, it should be complete. So let's do our Fatiha. So inshallah I'll see you in Samarkand now. Is that little bazaar is still open, but we haven't bought any money with us, have we? In the car. Yeah, you see that they're so nearly done. And the funny thing is they are all different teeth. Do they really need them fillings, or they're just having it just for because it's gold, let's put it on? That's the way of them using their gold, isn't it? Let's put some front teeth up. Oh, they're like the manji wale restaurants. ये देखें, they're wearing same कपड़े as us.
10,000 bracelet.
Thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and press the red icon bell if you want to watch more from Uzbekistan and beyond. Bye.